Hello, traders. Just want to explain this trade. I took the London Open, but I'm not feeling well, so you might hear some coughs or me pausing. That's me coughing. Anyways, here, I took a trade here. This is basically a pullback. However, it never. I let it go, thinking that it's going to hit my take profit. It did hit it, but it didn't fill it. See, that's the problem with trading during the Globex session, which is the overnight session. It's going to hit your take profit, but you got to make sure that you're around so you can close it. And once it hits there, just close your trade, because obviously it did not fill when it hit my target. Again, because there's low liquidity. That's the reason why. Anyways, that would have been a good 345. So what happened with that trade is basically I had to close it out with a loss. As you can see here, um, right here, I had some two losses. One I just took by $5 profit. But here's the trade coming down, because I already knew that there's a swing high. And usually, remember, and Rebecca said, not not to take the swing red or swing high that's red, the swing red, because it's hard. But the thing is, we had everything here. We had the uh, Magnum, we have the MDX, and we also have the cross, the 55 cross right there. I took it right there, took it all the way down. This is the low of the day right here. Hit that 535. Okay, so that went all the way down, hit my right there. But you can see we still have some opening here. This may get on a little further down because we still have see this, still an MDX right there. But we're getting also a signal here, lower low. Now, I took my money. So now we can wait for a trade. It may be a pullback, right? Because we still have a pullback here. What's going on here? My electricity going on. Still have a pullback here. I mean, an opening here in the Wilders. You see, I took this all the way down because the Wilders is open. Now, this is based on a trade. If you look in your spreadsheet, this is both a MDX, I think it is, right? MDX, which is right there. This is also across the 55, right? That X right there, right? And also it's a Magnum. But it's not an 8 high probability trade setup. Why? Because it's an HH, which it shortened HH, which we shouldn't, not a higher high, especially in a red swing. But again, that's the high of the day. And you can see here, same thing. Look at this high of the day. Once we get to this right here, you can see it's going to repeat. It's going to go all the way down. Look at this. We have another. Let me see. That's a good LH right here. Why is that a good LH? Because we have a right here below the 55, that X right there, lower high, right? We get a MDX. There's your short right there. Or you're going to take in this short right here. Hit me your trigger. Stop what I'm up there. You got good trade. There's my target. I hit that. This is this was yesterday's trade. No, Friday's trade. Anyways, pull back, entry right there, hit that target. There's another entry here I did. Coming to the downside, I hit the target, All the targets are hit here. Coming down. That was Friday. So I did pretty good on Friday. So this is where you have the opening for today, right there. Opening for today, here's the Asia session. Not that much movement, but you had the pullback. Okay, so this trade here was based, my entry here was basically below 55. That's the X right there. 55 cross, MDX. We also have the Magna, right? So look at this, it's coming down still. That's what I'm saying, because it's still wide open. But I took my money, 535, still ended up with a profit. And like Rebecca always tells me, I have to eliminate those reds, which I should. If I can find it again, right here. That's where I have to eliminate those reds. And that's what I'm gonna work on, but I'm still profitable at 180 right now. I'm gonna wait again, maybe the pre-market session, see how it's gonna go. And get my goal for that one. Again, this is an evaluation. There's not yet a PA. When I start doing my PA, I will strictly follow what the trade plan that Rebecca was talking about. But right now, I'm pretty much aggressive with my evaluations. Okay, I'll make another video, more of explaining all the trade setups along with the documentation, and also another video showing you how I configure the chart if you want to have the same chart that I have. Okay. Talk to you later.